Fixing a redirect error for your Blogger site in Google Search Console ensures your blog is correctly indexed and accessible. Redirect errors typically occur when URLs are misconfigured or Google can't access your pages. Here's how to resolve the issue. Verify the redirect source. Ensure your Blogger blog's URL structure is correctly set up. If you're using a custom domain, check that it redirects properly from the non-www to www version. For example, ensure yourblog.com redirects to www.yourblog.com. Update Google Search Console. Log into Google Search Console. Go to the coverage section to find the error. Identify the problematic URL and verify the redirect path. Check Blogger settings. Open your Blogger dashboard, Settings. Under Publishing, ensure your blog's HTTPS redirect is enabled. Toggle on the HTTPS availability and HTTPS redirect options. If using a custom domain, ensure DNS records are set correctly. Fix the redirect. Correct the redirect rules in your domain register settings. Ensure there are no infinite loops or incorrect paths. Validate the fix. In Google Search Console, select the error and click Validate Fix to recheck the URL.